और आज मैं पहले थैंक्स बोलना चाहूंगी अपने बॉलीवुड को, क्योंकि इनकी वजह से आज मैंने एक नया वर्ड सीखा, हिपोक्रेसी।
ओह, तो कॉलेज वालों ने तुम्हें भी स्टंट करने के लिए बोला है।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम इंस्टाग्राम के बंदो। तो भैया चाइना कैसे नहीं मान रहा है, नहीं मतलब चिपचाप लिए जा रहे हैं तो कुछ भी भेजे जा रही है।
This 20-year-old internet sensation has rocked the world of satire with her humorous social political commentary in her short videos. We are talking about Saloni Kaur, or better known as Nazma Api. Now you definitely know whom I'm talking about. Welcome Saloni, or should I refer to you as Nazma?
Hi Nidhi.
Saloni, to begin with, you're just a 20-year-old student, and at this juncture, students are only deciding for themselves how to go about in future. You have chosen at least a direction for yourself. I would like to know when did you decide making these videos, and what was your source of inspiration behind making these videos?
So yeah, I was also worried like every other student. I was also wondering what am I going to do next after I complete my graduation. I even started preparing for banking exams. I thought maybe this is it. I'll be doing some job at a bank. But yeah, sometimes destiny works, and it worked quite well for me, I would say. I was making these videos from 2017, and my first video went viral in November. So yeah, things worked quite well for me. There was no inspiration as such. I mean, I got my first phone when I first moved to Delhi for college. So I started seeing all those videos on Instagram. I got to know how Instagram works, got to know how YouTube works. So yeah, I used to watch my brother's video. He was doing YouTube. He started way before I did. So yeah, he was my inspiration, kind of, yeah.
Saloni, you've been playing absolutely hilarious characters, including Nazma Api, which is also one of my favorite characters that you play. Apart from that, Kusum Behenji, we have Ishita, influencer Ishita, Sasu Ma, and Doordarshan Didi, and a variety of characters. Sorry if I'm missing out any of those. Saloni, how were these characters born? Were they inspired from any real life people, or were they completely fictional or imaginative?
There's a different story for every character. Like Nazma Api itself is not inspired from anyone, but the dialect she speaks in is inspired from a lot of people. Like I'm from Western UP, and my father has a lot of Muslim friends. So I used to listen to them when they used to speak, and they speak in the same dialect. When I moved to Delhi, I heard this dialect from in Old Delhi. So yeah, I cached it. I cached a few keywords at first, and then I, when you start making videos, you add your own things, and yeah, it just happened. And it was around Eid in 2018 when I first thought of Nazma Api. I thought of making a video around Eid preparations, so I thought let's do it as a Muslim woman, and this character was born that day. And the Sasuma character was born on a random call with my brother. We were discussing something completely else, and we just talked, and suddenly we got this character, and we made our first video about lockdown, and it was also a hit. And I do a character called Diyu Wali Didi. It's obviously I'm from Delhi University, so I've seen that character a lot around my college. And every college has that girl or boys who are a part of some street play society, and yeah, it's a little exaggerated version of that, but yeah, this is how it works.
Saloni, apart from these characters that are purely your characters, apart from these, when we talk about the celebs that you mimic, these include Kangna Ranaut. This is also one of my favorites. We have Ananya Pandey that you mimic. Also Sonam Kapoor and Neha Dhupia as well. I remember a video that you had posted of Sonam Kapoor, and very surprisingly she had commented on the video and she took it so sportingly. Did you expect her to take that so sportingly? And I would personally want you to mimic a part of that.
If Kangna had to say something to people who are going out without any reason now that we have done this unlock one thing, so she would say something like hello everyone, मैं पद्मश्री कंगना रनौत. ये अनलॉक 1 हो गया है तो तुम इसका मतलब क्या बिना काम के बाहर जाओगे? मतलब ये मेरे मोहल्ले की आंटियां, अरे इन्होंने भी अब गॉसिप करना व्हाट्सएप से बंद कर दिया. अब मोहल्ले में बैठ जाती हैं जाकर. और ये गली के बच्चे, इन्होंने वापस से अपना नेट बंद कर बैडमिंटन खेलना शुरू कर दिया है. पागल हो गए सब, घर पे बैठो जब कोई काम नहीं है तो.
Saloni, while making these videos, do you also have a filter in your mind, or especially with this incident, this TikTok incident, which had almost nothing in it, still it was taken down by TikTok, and given the circumstances, the sensitive circumstances we are living in, where every thing is, blown out of proportion at times, do you have any kind of a filter, or will you have any kind of a filter in future?
There's a filter as such. I mean, when I first started making these videos, I did not have a script. I used to just blurt out things in front of a camera. But yeah, when you gain some followers, you also, have some responsibility to, provide good content, and have some kind of a responsibility, because there is this age group which is watching your videos. Even kids are watching, even adults are watching. You do not know what they learn from your video and what they might get wrong from your video. So yeah, I always keep that thing in my mind, but there is no filter as such that if they have taken my video down, I'll just edit some things next time. Yeah, there's nothing like that. I'll keep on speaking what I want to say.
Saloni, with this, I'm also reminded of a recent video that you had put on social media platforms that had a mention of China. It was taken down by TikTok, a Chinese app, and it was reinstated only hours later. Did TikTok inform you that they're going to delete it? And did they inform you at the time of reinstatement as to why did they delete it? Why did they decide to go ahead with such a decision when there was nothing objectionable? And did this incident deter you? Are you going to put more videos on TikTok, or have you decided to do away with it?
Yeah, so this also happened. I don't know why they did that. Like, I seriously have no clue. I'm not very active on TikTok. I just checked my TikTok account. I was just checking it one day, and I saw that they have put that community guidelines violating thing on my video, and it wasn't playing anymore. So I thought there was an option to report back, but I didn't know what all guidelines I have violated. So I thought, I don't know what to write in that report. So I did what I thought best. I tweeted about it, and that tweet went viral. Some of the news channels also covered it. So they reinstated my video after that, a day after that, and they even replied to my tweet. They said that they have made some stricter rules during this COVID times, and I didn't get it what they were trying to say. They were just covering up. So yeah, I haven't really decided that I'll leave TikTok, or I'm not posting some content right now, but yeah, I'll decide it in the future.
Saloni, now that we've seen a complete variety of characters from you, like when we talk about celebrities, Sonam Kapoor, Kangna Ranaut, and a lot more, and then the characters that are completely yours, like Kusum Behenji, Nazma Appi, and influencer Ishita, and a lot more characters. Are there more that are coming in the near future? Are there more characters in your kitty that will be revealed soon? And most importantly, are there any political characters that are coming up?
Yeah, definitely. I'm planning to do some new characters very soon. Mimicking Sonam is still quite tough for me. I'm still learning that perfect accent. But I can do that single line of hers from her advertisement, which I always do. Just keep a straight face, look into the camera, and just say, L'Oreal Paris ka Power Repair 3X, kyunki hame naaz hai khud par. Just that.
That was quite hilarious, Saloni. As we sign off, we also look forward to more such hilarious and humorous videos. More power to you.
Thank you so much, Nidhi. It was lovely talking to you.
Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected, stay safe.